Hello students. So this video is about to find out the number of face diagonals, body diagonals in a cubic unit cell. So in my previous video I have shown you how the cubic unit cell will appear. So as I told, what is the condition for the cubic unit cell? Where all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. That is how the cubic unit cell will be created. Okay. So even I have shown one example how it will going to appear. So this is what. So as I told, there are 12 edges, okay, 8 corners and 6 faces will be there in a cubic unit cell. So now the question is about how many face diagonals and the body diagonals in a cubic unit cell will going to have. So this might the question that appear to the CET as well as to the NEET exam. So instead of sitting there and counting, so here only if you get to know how the diagonals will appear and the total diagonals in a cubic unit cell, so it will be very easy to answer. So see here, so as we know, diagonal is nothing but when we draw a line or when we try to draw two opposite vertices. Vertices are nothing but the corners here, okay. So from this corner, you could see here, from this corner to this corner, if I draw a line, that is what we're going to call it as a diagonal, okay. So when we put a line across the body of the cubic unit cell, those are called body diagonal, okay. So we will just see how many diagonals, especially body diagonals, will going to appear. See here, from this corner to this corner, I am joining these two vertices. So that generate how many body diagonals over here? So this is one body diagonal. Okay. Similarly, from this corner to this corner. Okay. So this is one body diagonal. So this is from here to here one, from here to here one. So how many? Two. Again, from this corner to this corner. So can I? Yes. So this is how. This is the third body diagonal. Similarly, from this corner to this corner, there appears one more diagonal. So how many body diagonals you could draw? It is totally the 4 body diagonal that will appear. So again I am repeating, from this corner to this corner, this one, okay. From this corner to this corner, 2. Similarly, from this to this, 3, and this is a 4th one. So how many body diagonals might appear? It is the 4 body diagonals will going to appear. So the body diagonals are 4 here. Now how many face diagonals will going to appear? So as I told, in a cubic unit cell, how many faces will be there? So 6 faces will going to appear. So let us consider this one as a one face, okay. So see here, from this corner to this corner of the same face, okay, I can put one line or I can put one diagonal. So for the same face, from this corner to this corner, this is called a face diagonal. Similarly, from this corner to this corner, I can put one line. So for the same face, I can put 2 face diagonal, okay. Similarly, here also I could show you. This is how we can put. See, this is one face. So from this corner to this corner, I can put one face diagonal. Similarly, from this corner to this corner, I can put one face diagonal. So as we know, how many faces are there? 6 faces, right? So in each face, how many diagonals we can put? That is face diagonal 2. So 6 into 2, 12. So there are how many face diagonals in a cubic unit cell? 12 face diagonals, 4 body diagonals, okay. Total how many diagonals we could put by considering face as well as body? Totally 16 diagonals. So the question might appear in your competitive exam. So face diagonals 12, body diagonals 4, and the total diagonals will be 16.